besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon was thrilled to get these melt mystery boxes. They're not exactly up my alley, but I'm always here for the fun.
Frederick. Sorry, Ghost is doing ghost things.
It was.
Yes, I love Melt Cosmetics. I have a few of their eyeshadow palettes and I love them.
They're kind of up her alley in terms of grungy. The style's kind of grungy, and is that the word grungy? Do you like that?
They warm my little 90s grungy soul.
Aww.
So they put out 2 boxes for Valentine's Day. The Bittersweet Mystery Box, which was $25, which is we're opening in this video. The other one was $50. We'll talk about that in the next video. So this was $25. I don't remember how many items it's supposed to have in it.
So one thing I will say about Melt, because we've gotten all of them.
You get your money's worth.
You get your money's worth and then plenty more.
It might be bright orange lip stain.
Yeah.
But you get your money's worth.
What?
I don't know.
Is there a cat in here?
I thought there might be, but I think the boxes were just not stacked well.
Okay.
So there was some avalanching happening.
Yes.
So you get your money's worth, and $25 for a melt box. I don't think there's much on their website for $25.
No, like that's one thing.
That's one thing.
One thing's worth.
Yeah. And it's definitely not an eyeshadow palette.
No.
So they're not cheap.
So it came in a big box, and they were individually.
Yeah, because we got both, so they came together.
And they're in like a little papoose.
Let's open this papoose. It is all wrapped like multi-layers of bubbles. And then there's the inner papoose.
I love that. You know I do. And it says small Valentine's Day mystery bundle.
Yes.
Very cute.
And I'm gonna bet they're both exactly the same because that's what Melt does.
Yeah. Which is fine.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There's a lot in here for $25. Okay. So I'm gonna start with...
Let's get the elephant in the room out of the way.
This is the Smoke Sessions 2 nail stickers.
So these are weeds. It's all the weeds.
They have these Smoke Session collections, and they're weed oriented. These are not nail stickers I'm going to use.
No, neither of us are 420 friendly, but we do not judge if you are.
Okay, it's not that we're not 420 friendly. We're not 420 partakers.
Correct.
But we're friendly to the people that are.
Yes, most of our friends are. We do not.
So we could probably find somebody.
We could definitely find someone to like these. Absolutely.
And they're nail stickers. I appreciate that it's not some little gemstone I'm supposed to put on my face. If I'm going to put a sticker on, it's probably going to be on a nail.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they're not childish like the color.
No, they're actually really cute. And if I could, make a gift or something with them on it, I think it would be kind of fun. But I'm not creative, so there you have it.
All right, where do you want to go next?
Do this.
Okay, so we get this in every Melt box.
Yeah.
This is the Melt
Peach and Cream
Foil Digital Liquid Highlight.
This is Peach and Creams, and we do get this flavor every time.
I think I've gotten another flavor once.
Really?
Yeah. So it's been sitting, I know. So this is a liquid. This is you're never going to need another jar. I don't know where my other jar went, so I will probably open this one.
So what do you do with this? Is this body or highlight or
whatever you want? I like to mix it with so I love a glowy primer, and I'm using the Iconic primer, glowy primer, but I would mix this with a primer and put it under my foundation.
Even with it being like a shade orange, you don't think it'll change the color of your foundation? No.
Well, you put it under foundation. You put it with your highlight.
Oh gosh, that's actually really pretty.
Yeah. And it just gives you a nice glow. It's nice in the summertime when you're tan, like you can see it on my hand, my fingers there. It's good for if you're going somewhere, you're going out on a date in the summer, just to bronze yourself.
That's actually really pretty. And the thing I like about it is it's just a hint of glow. It's not big chunky glitter. It's not obnoxious.
No.
It's very sexy.
It's beautiful. And mixed with a moisturizer or your makeup primer, it's really pretty.
Yeah, I wonder if you could put it in with like your sunscreen.
I don't see why not.
Okay. Yeah, that's really actually pretty. I don't think I've ever swatched that before.
We haven't because I had one open. But I don't know where it's at this juncture.
Yeah.
And it might have gotten decluttered.
That's very possible.
But it's pretty. And this color is not so dark that I can't wear it.
No.
But it's not so fair that it won't work for you too.
Yeah, it worked really well for both of us.
Kind of a very universal highlighter.
That really surprised me, and it really...
Every time we've opened it, you've kind of been like,
I was, because we've never actually
I would bet
touched
money it's
it.
in the big bundle too.
Okay.
So you might have to.
Might have 2 flavors.
Yeah. So we get these a lot too. These are the cream blush lights. I got Honey Thief.
Yeah. So these are cream. Let me do the honors because this one's cream and you don't like cream.
It's not my favorite. I love their powder blush lights though.
I love the cream line.
I used it today actually. My favorite color is Nevermore.
My favorite color is Sandy Cheeks in the cream.
This is pretty.
It's really pretty. It's very orange. I don't know that I would wear it though.
I don't think it's that orange at all.
You don't think so? Oh my goodness.
I think it's really pretty.
Touch it.
Yeah. It's kind of corally.
It is really orange. Well, it rubs out really pretty though, doesn't it?
Yeah. And these have they're called a blush light, but they're not like the Jeffree Star blush highlighters that are like full on in your face highlighters. They're blush with just a little hint of highlight to them.
These are such beautiful pops. It's not a pop. It's a flush of color. It sinks into your skin so beautifully. If you're older with older skin and textured skin, this is the type of product that you want. It's so beautiful, and I love these.
When they say they're cream, they're creamy. They're very creamy. It's almost a buttery texture.
Oh yeah, but it's beautiful. It's perfect.
All right. This is the Melt Perfectionist Brow Ultra Fine Pen.
Here's another one for
me. I got
me.
Universal Brown. You got Universal Brown.
Okay.
They are exactly the same box. So this box is kind of half me and half you.
Yeah.
It's fine. For $25? Shoot.
Okay.
So we've gotten these before too.
Yeah. Yep. And I actually love Melt Cosmetics brow products. Oh yeah, so
very fine tip.
This is the babiest tip I've ever seen, and that I'm crazy about that.
You've got all kind of cream product on your
hands. I do, but I just want to see the color. Okay, so
it's brown.
It's a dark, it's like a medium brown. This will be perfect for me. I'll be able to use it.
Yeah, it's not very different from your eyebrows.
No. Yeah, I like it. I like it. This will be perfectly fine. Excited.
I won't use it.
Nope, she won't.
All right, the next item. I've never tried this. I've tried the other Melt mascara.
Oh, is this mascara?
I believe so.
So high.
So high. Waterproof, holds curl, long lasting, ultra black, vegan, cruelty free.
Waterproof is not my thing. Oh, the packaging. Oh my goodness. So you open it.
So this is like a cardboard tuber. Like you're buying a pre-roll.
Yeah, it's like we got back from the store.
It's so
the drugstore.
The red one. Do you remember what it was called?
Red. It was red.
I didn't love that.
The packaging was beautifully red and beautiful.
Oh, there's like a whole picture situation.
Is that a moment of the smokery?
Well, this is supposed to be an eyelash, I think.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm not sure.
It's a blunt.
If you know what that is, let us know. Let's look at the wander. Okay.
Oh, I love that one.
So it's got a slight curve to it. It's very, they're very, I feel very far separated. So this is going to do good for separating eyelashes.
I love the wand.
And this is now the next mascara I'm going to use because I'm opening it. But it's fine.
I don't love, I'm going to probably skip out on this one because it's waterproof. And that's the only reason.
I might love it. So we might end up trading something.
That's perfectly fine.
Okay. So we got, I'm not even going to count the stickers as an item. We got 4 items for $25. How do you feel?
I think this is good. Like,
this is great.
The 2 items
you're probably paying $25 for the mascara.
The 2 items I am going to use for certain
were probably the items you were hoping to see in the box.
Are over $25. So if I bought these separately, it would be over.
Okay.
This I might use because I've never seen it before. Now that I like it. These I'm going to pass on. This is just personal preference. What?
For $25, you can't be mad.
No.
Did you get these boxes?
What are you going to use specifically?
I'm definitely going to try this. And I'll definitely use this. I don't use a brow pen. I've got plenty of my own. And I don't prefer a cream product. And our friend Michelle's been looking for blush.
Michelle.
We found one for you.
We found one.
So this will be gifted to her, I'm sure. And then...
So, yeah, I mean, I'm not even going to play.
Okay.
So, you guys.
For $25.
If this is still available.
Get it.
Go. Do not wait.
Don't walk. Run.
And look online.
There's
a 25.
Because it was $25. And we got it for 10% off.
Okay. So there's a 10% coupon code that we use, but I think there's a better one out now. Check. Go look.
Look for a coupon code. Save you a few dollars. So yeah, we paid $22.50 for this.
Yeah.
And I believe we got free shipping because we spent over $50 or something. So
what do you guys think?
It's almost worth buying 2 of these if this wasn't ginormal.
Yeah, for the mascara alone, if you're a mascara lover, a waterproof mascara lover, it would be worth buying a few of these boxes just for the mascara alone. Because I think the mascara is probably $22.
Yeah.
And then everything else is free. What did you guys think? Did you guys get one? Did you guys love it? What are you guys using out of it? What are you passing out of it?
Let us know. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.